Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Africa Twin. This 1100cc twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled adventure tourer just arrived with only about 5,000 miles. It's got the GV engine guards, Denali lights, and the Honda line quick release locking luggage and top case. Those things are massive. They hold a lot of gear. The bike's in beautiful shape. It's got some really nice semi-knobby street legal tires. Come on by for this Africa Twin manual transmission, 6-speed. Price to sell just $13,499. Only 5,300 miles. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.